Welcome students to the digital class of mathematics. Today in our fifth session of chapter number 8, comparing quantities, we will be learning how to find the compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly. So what we're going to study today? How to find the compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly. That means we will be discussing questions related to half yearly today. So in half yearly, the rate is equals to R by 2% per half year. That means the rates get half. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में रेट गिवन है 8% per annum. So in case of half yearly, it will become 8 by 2% per half year. That means 4% per half year. And if you talk about the time is equals to 2.5 years. 2.5 year means there are 2 half years in a year. एक साल में आपके कितने आधे साल होते हैं? 2, because 1 year contain each of 2 6 months. Right? जैसे आप बोलते हो बेटा 6 months में आपके कितने half years होंगे? 1 half year. If you talk about 1 month, 1 year, 1 year में आपके कितने half years होंगे? 2 half years. If you talk about 1.5 year, 1.5 साल में कितने half years होंगे? तो आधा आधा आधे वाले 3, that means 3 half years. And if I talk about 2 years, 2 years means 4 half years. So in case of compounded half yearly, you need to remember 2 things. The rate get half and the time get double. That's it. Okay? Now let's see questions related to compounded half yearly case of exercise 8.3. Question number 1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So here it is clearly mentioned that it is a case of compounded half yearly. So we need to find out the amount and the compound interest both. So principal is rupees 62,500. Rate is given 8% per annum. And it is the case of compounded half yearly. So it will be 8 by 2% per half year. So it will be what? 4% per half year, right? And the time given is 1.5 years. 1.5 year. And we know that in 1.5 year there are 3 half years. Is it clear? Rate को हमने half कर दिया and time में आपने देखा 1.5 year है, तो 1.5 year में कितने half years होते हैं? 3 half years, right? So now what you need to find out? Amount. Amount is equals to principal into 1 plus rate upon में 100 raised to the power n. The principal is same, which is 62,500. Rate is now 4% per half year. So we will write down here 4 by 100 and time is 3 half years. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100, right? So what is left in the bracket now? It is 1 plus 1 upon में 25 raised to the power 3. Now if I take the LCM inside the bracket, it will be 25. Here we will write down 25 plus 1 whole raised to the power 3. This will become rupees 62,500 into 21 plus 1 is 26 by 25 raised to the power 3. So in the next step, it will be rupees 62,500 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. 3 times we need to write. So now let's cancel 6 to 5 00 with 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25 with 00. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25 with 00. 25 ones are 25 hundreds are 2500. Now 25 1, 25 4. So what we are left with? Rupees 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. Now 26 cube is rupees 17,576. Now on multiplying 4 with 17,576, you will get the answer 70,304. So the amount is equals to 70,304. So this is the amount. We need to find out the amount as well as the compound interest. तो compound interest का formula क्या होता है? Amount minus principal, which is rupees 70,304 minus rupees 62,500. So now let's subtract. So it will be 4, 0, 13 minus 5 is 8. It will be now 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. So the compound interest is equals to rupees 7,804. Is it clear? So let's write down here answer. Now let's see the question number 1D part, which is again the compounded half-yearly question. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on 8,000 rupees for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded half-yearly. So principal will be same, which is rupees 8,000. Rate is given to us 9% per annum. But if this is a case of half yearly, तो rate आधा हो जाता है. So we can write it down it to be 9/2% per annum की जगह per half year. Now student, there is no point to put this in decimal. अगर fraction में रखोगे तो calculation आपकी और भी easy रहेगी. Okay, so no need to convert it into decimal. Now time given to you is 1 year. 1 year means 2 half years, right? Now amount का formula क्या होता है? Principal into bracket 1 plus rate upon में 100 bracket close raised to the power n. So amount is equals to rupees 8,000 into bracket 1 plus rate पूरा लिख लो 9/2 and then into 100 upon the power 2. So this is equals to rupees 8,000 into, anything is getting cancelled here? No. This can be written as 9 upon with 200 raised to the power 2. So now let's take the LCM inside the bracket. So it will be 200, and here we can write down 200 plus 9 whole raised to the power 2. So now 200 plus 9 is equals to 209 upon में 200 whole raised to the power 2. Right? Now in the next step we need to open the power. It will be 8,000 into 209 upon में 200 into 209 upon में 200. So this 0 and this 0 cancel. This and this 0 cancel. This and this 0 cancel. Now 2 tens are, 2 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So what we are left with? Now I can cancel this 2 and 10 as well. 2 1, 2 5. That means rupees 209 into 209 upon में 5. Now let's multiply 209 with 209. We will get 43,681 upon में 5. So now let's divide. So it will be 8 5s are 40, 36. 8 7s are 35, 18. 5 3s are 15, 31. 8 5 6 are 30.2 and then 0 because ये आपके rupees है so up to 2 decimal places. So this is the amount. So what is the amount you are getting? Rupees 8,736.20 is the amount. Now what we need to find out more? The compound interest. Compound interest formula is amount minus principal, which is rupees 8,736.20 minus rupees 8,000. This is equals to rupees 736.20. So the compound interest is equals to rupees 736.20 is the compound interest. Is it clear? Now let's see the question number 5. Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded half year. वासुदेवन ने कितने रुपीस इन्वेस्ट किए? 60,000 रुपीस इन्वेस्ट किए कितने इंटरेस्ट रेट पे? 12% पर annum इंटरेस्ट रेट पे compounded half year. So what amount would he get after 6 months? And then you need to find out the amount he will get after a year, right? So now let's first solve the first part, where the principal is rupees 60,000, the money he invested, the rate is 12% per annum. It is the case of half yearly, so it will be 12 upon 2% per half year, right? This means rate will become 6% per half year, and the time given in the first part is 6 months, right? 6 months means 1/2 year, right? So now let's find out the amount. Amount is equals to principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. Let's substitute the values. So principal is 60,000 into rate is 6 upon 100 raised to the power 1. So it will be what? 60,000 into, take the LCM 100, it will be here 100 plus 6 raised to the power 1. So it is 60,000 into 106 upon 100 raised to the power 1 को हम directly 106 upon 100 लिख सकते हैं. So these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. What we are left with? Rupees 600 into 106. On multiplying this, you will get 0, 0, 36 and 6. That means 63,600 is the amount. That means the first part solved. They are only asking you to find out the amount. So we have calculated. Now let's see the B part, the second part, where you need to find out the amount would he get after a year. So in the second part, the principal is same, which is 60,000, right? And the rate I can directly write down here 6% per half year, right? And the time given to us is 1 year. 1 year means 2/2 years, right? What we need to find out? Amount. Amount formula is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. So this is equals to rupees 60,000 1 plus 6 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Now let's solve the inside of the bracket. That means let's take the LCM. It will be 100. 100 plus 6 raised to the power 2. This is equals to rupees 60,000 into 106 upon my 100 raised to the power 2. 100 plus 6 is 106. Now let's open the bracket. It will be 60,000 into 106 upon my 100 into 106 upon my 100. So this 2 0 cancel with this 2 0 and these 2 0 will cancel with these 2. So what we are left with 6 into 106 into 106. So 6 into 106 can be written as 636. Then we have to multiply with 106. On multiplying you will get the answer 67,416. That means the amount he will get after 1 year will be 67,416. Is it clear? Now let's see question number 9. Find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4,096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. Again, what you need to find in this question, the amount Ram will get. अगर वो 4,096 rupees किसी को देते हैं for 18 months, right? That means the time is given at 12 1/2% per annum, that is the rate. Interest being compounded half yearly. तो half yearly का case very easy. Rate क्या हो जाता है? Half. So let's write down the principal first, which is rupees 4,096. And rate given to us is 12 1/2% per annum. पहले इसको per annum में mixed से improper में convert कर लेते हैं. So 12 into 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25/2% per annum. Now let's convert it into the half year. तो उसके लिए divide by 2 करना होगा. Divide by 2 मतलब 1/2 भी लिख सकते हैं उसको, into 25/2% per half year. So this will become 25/4% per half year. अगर हमारे पास 8% होता है तो उसको 8/2 उसको हम 1/2 into 8 भी तो कह सकते हैं ना. तो सेम चीज हमने की है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ये ऑलरेडी एक फ्रैक्शन है, तो मैंने उसको 1/2 से इंटू कर दिया. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द टाइम गिवन टू अस? दैट इज 18 months. 18 months means 1.5 year, and in 1.5 year, how many half years are there? 3 half years. Is it clear? So now let's find out the amount, which is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n, which is equals to rupees 4,096, 1 plus 25/4 into 100 raised to the power 3, which is equals to rupees 4,096 into, now inside the bracket this 25 and 100 will get cancelled. 25 ones are 25 fours are, and 4 into 4 will become 16. So it will be 1/16 raised to the power 3. This can be further written as 4096 into bracket, let's take the LCM 16. It will be 16 plus 1 whole raised to the power 3. So this will become rupees 4096 into 16 plus 1, right? 16 plus 1 will be 17/16 whole raised to the power 3. So now this can be written as 4096 into 17/16 into 17/16 into 17/16. Now let's cancel 4096 with 16. So it will be 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again on 2, 2, 4, 2, 1, 0, 2, 2 and 2, 4. Right? 4 again on 2. It will be 5, 1, 2. Again on 2, that means 1, and here we can write down 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Now if you know 16 square is 256. So I can directly cancel 16 ones are 16, 16 16s are 256. Then 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. So what we are getting as an amount? 17 into 17 into 17. क्योंकि ये पूरा कट गया. That means 4096 16 का क्यूब ही था. Right? Now what we need to do? We have to find out 17 into 17 into 17, which is 4913. So what is the amount he is getting at the end? Rupees 4913. And in the question, they are asking us to find out only the amount. Right? So, students, now in your homework, you need to write down the half-yearly concept and then the questions of exercise 8.3 which we have discussed in the session, along with question number 1 E part which is there in your homework. Thank you.